Are you considering a Brazilian wax but not sure what to expect? Don't worry, today, we're breaking down the basics, from preparation to aftercare, so you can walk into your appointment with confidence. Welcome to MTH Health, where we bring you healthy, trusted information. Be sure to subscribe if you want to stay informed. Brazilian waxing is a hair removal method that focuses on creating a clean, smooth result that lasts for weeks longer than shaving. This type of wax removes hair from the entire pubic area for a long-lasting, smooth feeling. It is popular for the smooth results and convenience that many people find easier to maintain than other methods. So, why choose a Brazilian wax over other methods? Here are some common reasons. Long-lasting results. Since waxing removes the hair from the root, the smoothness lasts for about 4-6 weeks. Less risk of burns. Compared to shaving, waxing is known to reduce risks like razor bumps. Confidence and calm. Many people appreciate the feeling of long-lasting smoothness and say it boosts their confidence. If you're thinking about trying a Brazilian wax, preparation is key to a smooth experience. Here are some simple steps. Check hair length. Make sure your hair is at least 1/4 inch long for the wax to be effective. Avoid stimulants. Avoid caffeine on the day of your appointment, as it can increase sensitivity. Wear loose clothing. Loose clothing helps prevent post-wax irritation. Exfoliate the first day. Gentle exfoliation can help reduce ingrown hairs. Let's look at what happens during the actual meeting so you know what to expect. Consultation and cleaning. Your doctor will start by asking you a few questions to address any concerns you may have. They will also clean the area for a clean application. Wax application and removal. Hot wax is applied in sections. Each section is removed quickly to minimize discomfort. Remember, it's normal to feel some temporary discomfort, but each part only lasts a few moments. Final touches and soothing cream. After the wax is complete, any stray hairs will be gently brushed away, and a soothing lotion will be applied. Aftercare is key to maintaining smooth, healthy skin. Here are some aftercare tips. Avoid tight clothing. Give your skin some room to breathe. Skip sweating for a day. Heavy exercise and heat can irritate freshly waxed skin, so wait 24 hours before hitting the gym. Hydrate and moisturize. A gentle, fragrance-free lotion keeps skin soft and reduces irritation. Exfoliate later. After any initial redness has subsided, gently exfoliate every few days to help prevent ingrown hairs. Let's clear up some common myths and answer frequently asked questions. Does it hurt? There is some temporary discomfort, but it's usually short, and most people say it's manageable. Does waxing regrow hair? No. Waxing actually weakens hair follicles over time, which can lead to thinning. Is it safe for sensitive skin? Yes, as long as you go to a reputable salon and follow the aftercare instructions. It's a good idea to patch test first if you're concerned. Now, let's weigh some pros and cons. Benefits: smoother skin, longer lasting results, and less maintenance than shaving. Cons: some people may experience initial discomfort, and waxing is more expensive than other methods. For most, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks, especially with regular waxing sessions. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide has helped answer your questions about Brazilian waxing. Leave a comment if you have more questions, or share your own tips with our community. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more health and fitness tips from MTH Health.